Welcome to the Birds of Wall Street YouTube channel with your boy CoolCat Connor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Birds of Wall Street channel and all of our channels. That's CoolCat Connor, that's Simone with the Sports, that's One Trade Rock, that's Philly Notion, that's King DV, and that's Smitty Eagle. Please like, subscribe, and comment to the Birds of Wall Street YouTube channel. Today on the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel, we're going to do my first mock draft. That's right, my first mock draft, round one. Round one, okay? Here it is. This is my first round mock draft, okay? I'll be doing more as the weeks and months as we lead towards the NFL draft. So this is CoolCat Connor's Birds of Broad Street mock draft. We'll get King DVs, we'll get Smitty Eagles, we'll get Simone with Bezos, and we'll get One Trade Rock. And when he comes back, we'll also get Philly Notions. But this is my mock draft 1.0. Okay? This is mine. So, here we go. Ready to start? Now, this is 1.0. In 2.0, we'll do trades and stuff like that. Okay? When we do our 2 to 3.0, we'll do trades and stuff like that. So, this is just my 1.0 with no trades. Okay? Start the draft. Okay, let's see who everybody got. Let's see who everybody got when it comes to the mock draft. So, the Chicago Bears, they got Drake May. The Washington Commanders, they got Caleb Williams. Marvin Harrison Jr. is with the Patriots. Wide receiver for the Arizona Cardinals. Tackle Joe for the Chargers. Wide receiver for the Giants. Tackle for the Tennessee Titans. A quarterback for the Falcons. A cornerback for the Bears. We got some good people right here. So, me and Smitty talked about who the Philadelphia Eagles should get. Who the Philadelphia Eagles should get. And for me, choices. Because I can go wide receiver because, let's be honest, Quez Watkins suck. Quez Watkins is trash. And he has to go. Right? Now, Zacchaeus, we can bring him back, but Quez Watkins, he has to go. So I would say wide receiver. But we got lots to fix on the defense side of the ball. We got lots to fix on the defense side of the ball. Linebackers, safety, corners. You know how Howie T offense when it comes to the offensive line and the defensive line. So we got a lot of stuff to choose from. But right now, if I have to choose who I want, I choose the best player available. I would choose the best player available. And that would have to be, because let's be real, James Bradbury and Sly. What's going to happen with them? What's going to happen with them? So for me, best player available, I'll take corner. I'll take corner. I take corner. But that's just me. I would take a corner. Right now, it could change. It could change. But right now, at this moment in time, I would take a corner. We will be back in the upcoming days to talk to Smitty Eagle. We'll get Simone. We'll get One Trigger Trey Rock. We'll get King DV on Broad Street Aftermath. Maybe on B.O.B.S. And Philly Notion will get their thoughts and their 1.0 mock drafts. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Birds of Broad Street podcast, CoolCat Connor, One Trigger Trey Rock, Simone with the Sports, Philly Notion, Smitty Eagle, and King DV. This has been my mock draft 1.0. Next mock draft, there will be trades. We'll do all the rounds, 3 rounds, and then we'll move on from there. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel. I am your boy, Mizzy Miz, CoolCat, YouTube representing the Birds. Fly Eagles Fly, lights out.